Active Minds kids ask about spiders. What are spiders' fangs used for? 34 questions you need answered now. Written by Christopher Nicholas, illustrated by Mike Madak, narrated by Sam Morant. Who are spiders? Spiders are arachnids. This is a class of animal that includes scorpions and ticks. Did you know there are more than 45,000 different species or kinds of spiders in the world? Abdomen, cephalothorax, black widow spider. How are spiders different from insects? Many people think that spiders are insects, but they are not. Both insects and spiders have exoskeletons or hard shells on the outside of their bodies. But unlike insects, spiders have only two separate body sections. One is the cephalothorax, which is the head and chest area. The other is the abdomen. Insects have three body sections. Did you know spiders are distant relatives of lobsters and crabs? Lobster. How many legs do spiders have? All spiders have 8 legs, 4 on each side. Insects only have 6 legs. Did you know? Many spiders have sharp claws on their feet that help them climb. These claws also give spiders added support as they move over sticky silk strands on their webs. Wandering spider. What other body parts do spiders have? Speaking of 8, spiders have up to 8 eyes. They also have fangs that they use when they eat. Wolf spider. Spider body parts. Exoskeleton. 2 sections, cephalothorax and abdomen. 8 legs. Up to 8 eyes. Fangs. What do spiders eat? Spiders eat just about any creature they are big enough to catch. That's why most spiders feed on insects and sometimes other spiders. Wolf spider. Spiders eat insects, other spiders, fish, mice, frogs and lizards, small birds. What larger animals do spiders eat? Big spiders have big appetites. Some are large enough to eat mice, frogs, lizards, and small birds. What are spiders' fangs used for? Spiders of every size use their fangs to inject their prey with poisonous venom. The venom paralyzes or kills the prey. Then spiders suck out their victims' body juices. Spiders can't chew, so they only feast on liquids. Tarantula. Where do spiders live? Everywhere. Spiders are found in all areas of the world. Forests, deserts, mountains, caves, the tropics, and even in the icy cold Arctic. Some even live on the water's edge. Fishing spider. Tarantula. Crab spider. Marbled orb weaver. Fishing spider. Did you know? Some spiders like to make their home in your home. Many of these spiders, like the common house spider, are actually useful to humans. They feed on such household pests as ants, wasps, flies, and cockroaches. Common house spiders. Spiders live in mountains, edges of lakes, streams, and ponds, forests, deserts, tropical rainforests, beaches, caves, your home. How do spiders spin their webs? Spiders use special body parts to spin their webs. These body parts, called spinnerets, are located in a spider's abdomen. The spinnerets release long, sticky strands of silk thread. The spider weaves the silk strands together into a web. Banded garden spider. How do spider webs take shape? There are many types of spider webs. For some webs, spiders start by making triangles that meet at the center. Then they weave a circular pattern around that point. Why don't spiders get caught in their own webs? Many scientists believe that spiders' bodies release a non-stick chemical. This chemical helps spiders avoid getting stuck in the sticky strands of their own webs. Also, spiders have many hairs and claws on their legs. These give spiders added support as they move over the sticky silk strands. Why do spiders spin webs? For lots of reasons. Many spiders use their webs as homes and to trap victims. What is a spiral orb web? Orb webs are what most people think of as a typical spider web. Spiders like the orb weaver spin big, sticky webs in a circular pattern. Insects fly into these webs and get stuck, and then they're spider food. Orb weaver. Did you know? Many animals lie in wait, hide, or disguise themselves in order to catch prey. Spiders, however, are among the few animals that use traps to ensnare their victims. What are some other kinds of webs? Some webs, such as tubular webs, run along the ground or up the sides of trees. Other webs, such as tangle webs, are found in bushes and other kinds of plants. The funnel web spider spins a cone-shaped web and waits inside. When a victim comes into its funnel web, the spider strikes. Australian funnel web spider. How do jumping spiders use silk? Some spiders do not spin silk for homes or traps. Jumping spiders spin silk safety lines or web lines when they make a big jump. Although spiders do not have wings, they can sometimes sail through the air for great distances. As the wind carries them aloft, they simply let out longer and longer lines. Jumping spider. Spiders spin silk to build homes, to catch other animals, to make safety lines, to travel great distances, to protect eggs. How do wolf spiders use silk? Female wolf spiders don't use silk to build homes or traps. They may, however, spin silk to make little egg sacs. Female wolf spiders then carry their cocoon-like egg sacs with them. Why do nursery web spiders spin silk? Female nursery web spiders wrap their eggs safely in silk egg sacs. Then they build nurseries for the sacs by folding over leaves and tying them up with silk. Each leaf is just like a spider baby cradle. Wolf spider. Nursery web spider. Where do baby spiders come from? All baby spiders hatch from eggs. Baby spiders are called spiderlings. Once they hatch, some spiderlings, such as baby wolf spiders, ride on their mother's back. They do this until they are large and strong enough to be on their own. Female black and yellow garden spider with egg sac. Female wolf spider carrying spiderlings on her back. Do spiderlings get too big for their exoskeletons? They do indeed. As they get bigger, spiderlings outgrow their exoskeletons, just as you outgrow an old pair of sneakers. And as they shed their hard shells, new ones form. Goldenrod crab spider, shedding outer shell. Spiderlings. Hatch from eggs, may ride on their mother's back, shed their skin as they grow. How do spiders protect themselves? Usually by hiding. Trapdoor spiders stay inside a covered burrow most of the time. Others, like crab spiders, use camouflage to just blend into the background. Elegant crab spider, trapdoor spider, spider defenses, camouflage, safety lines, jumping, breaking off a leg, itchy hairs. How can spiders flee to hiding places? Many spiders can drop quickly on silky safety lines to avoid danger. Some jump to get away from enemies. And if all else fails, a spider may break off one of its legs to escape the grip of a hungry animal. Did you know? A tarantula's hairs can make other animals itch. This keeps predators away. Jumping spider. Tarantula. Did you know? Jumping spiders can leap more than 50 times their own body length. Ounce for ounce, a female black widow spider's venom is 15 times more deadly than that of a rattlesnake. Crab spiders can walk forward, backward, or even sideways. Water spiders trap bubbles of air in a silken dome to breathe underwater. Spitting spiders spit sticky goo at victims to keep them from running away. After mating, a female black widow often eats the male. Not all kinds of silk are the sticky kind used to trap prey. Spiders spin non-sticky silk for safety lines and protecting eggs. Spiders also use non-sticky silk to walk around on their webs without getting stuck. Spiders are cool. There's really no reason not to like them. Unless you're a fly.